Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to add CPU, RAM or GPU widget on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to your Microsoft Store. For that I just need to open Microsoft Store, and after that you just need to search over here Dev Home, Dev space Home. Okay, after that you just need to click on Dev Home Preview, or else you can press enter. And here you will get an option called Dev Home Preview application. So you just need to click on Get. So once the installation is done, you just need to close this window, or else you can minimize it. After that you just need to click on your widgets icon over here, and now you just need to click on this add button over here, add widgets. And here you will get an option called CPU, GPU. As you can see, CPU, and I will add GPU, and you can add memory, network. So now as you can see, it's showing over here, which is memory and network, CPU and GPU over here. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.